Okay, how's everybody doing? First, I'd like to tell everybody, congratulations to my daughter. I'm going to be a grandpa. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Jesse. Second of all, I want to do this clip for my cousin in California,
Lauren and Josh.
Lauren and Josh. And this is dedicated for you two. I want to show you something, how to make a real quick snack without spending a lot of money or going anywhere. First, you need your mozzarella, your tomato sauce, which you can buy at the store unless you make your own. And then you need tortilla chips. Not chips, but
Wraps.
wraps. I got my wife in the background telling me what to say. So now, first thing you do, you go turn on your toaster oven, and you put it at 450. Okay? Just to show you how quick and simple this is done. Then you take your tortilla wrap, you put in your tomato sauce. It's not complicated, it's very simple. Okay. You put in your tortilla, your sauce. Then what you do, you put in your mozzarella. And this is the quickest way of being able to eat pizza, and it's very good because you're not eating all that dough. And you're not eating anything frozen out of a box that comes from some company in God knows where.
And if you have celiacs,
And if you
you
have
could use
celiac,
corn.
there you go. Go ahead, tell them.
You could use corn tortillas.
Yes. So now after you put the pizza, voila, see it's made, you put your sauce, your cheese, salt, pepper, onions, whatever you want. What you do is you pick it up with a plate, bring it over to your toaster oven. Now don't do what I'm doing with my hands because I'm a professional. Okay? And you could put it in the middle and the bottom, wherever you choose. And you put that in the oven. As you can see, what I taught you, it's going to take a couple of minutes. It won't take long. And like I said, you're not eating a lot of dough. It's very quick, easy. It's a good snack. And there's no preservatives. Okay? And you can put onions, whatever you like, or you can make it anyway. Or you can also make it with spinach tortilla wrap. You could do with any kind of wrap. This is the most simplest way. Who knows, maybe I might make somebody rich by stealing my idea of doing it this way. And if anybody does that, you better send me a little pay because otherwise I'm going to sue you. There's a lot of lawyers in Boca. Okay. So another shout out to my daughter. I'm gonna be a grandpa. It's gonna be my little prince, the Prince of Boca Raton. But seems like watching water boil takes a long time. But meanwhile, you could get your plate ready, you could get your drink ready, and like I said, you could have fun with the kids. You could have the kids do these things. Instead of watching TV or staying on the computer, it's a great snack to serve to all the kids. If you have a bunch of kids coming over your house, just make 4 or 5 of these, voila, and you got them all done. I know my wife is looking at me right now, probably going to hurry up. I could hear her laugh, and I'm sure you do too. Something I could do. Unless you want to stop it and we'll get back to it in 2 minutes. There you go. Now it's about 2 minutes later. 2 minutes is a long time. What you could do is you could pull it out a little bit, and as it cooks, you just spin it around. Okay? As you can see, it's almost done. And this goes out, another shout out to my Aunt Betty. Aunt Betty, you can make this for Uncle Mark. It's very quick and easy, and while he's watching TV or football, you can make this for him. It's a nice single serving, because I noticed you guys enjoyed pizza the other day. This is going to be a lot healthier, and to make one of these pizzas for everybody, I could tell you right now, you're probably talking about $1.25. Okay? And it's made at home. As you notice in my house, I do not have any microwaves. Do not buy microwaves. Microwaves kill people. Okay? Now look. Voila, it's almost done. We got another second. Let's check out the bottom. Bottom needs to cook just a little bit more. Look at that beautiful pizza, huh? Let's close it and let's get the thing a little. Now, while we do that, I'll get my Sicilian oregano. Ah, the smell of the hometown. I'm running out. If somebody walks into my house, they think it's weed. Come on. You gotta have fun in life. You don't have fun in life, what are you living for? Shoot yourself. Okay, now here we go. Again, I'm a professional. Do not use your fingers. Look at that. Look at that baby. Look at that baby pop. Look at that. Nice and brown. Oh, God. I can already taste it. I wish you could smell it. That's because I got my own marinara sauce. Which, by the way, happens to be on my portfolio there. Okay. So we got the crust. Pull it out. Shut off your toaster oven. I need to get more oregano. Put the oregano on top. And by the way, don't do what other people do. They put the oregano in first. Oregano burns. Once it burns, it tastes bitter. Only put oregano on pizza after it's cooked. Don't listen to anybody. It tells you different. And the best part about this, and that's why I love it so much, is that when you cut it, look at that, huh? Look at that. You can't buy this. You can't nuke this. Only Angelo can make this. And you now. So enjoy. Buon appetito. Love you.